Okay, so let's see. Yesterday we were talking on modal verben. Modal verben. So today we want to talk also. So modal verben. Let's see. Modal verben. So I had explained. So as we said, so there are six modal verben. There are six modal verben. Six modal verben. So that one we have number one, kionen. Kionen. So this one, kionen, means to be able to, but don't scram that. To be able to, just like that. So can or can. But people usually cram can, so I usually delete it. To be able to, I am able to do this. We have musen. Musen does not mean I must, but you have to. You have to. Musen means you have to, not a must, but you have to. I have to. Have to. So that means it is necessary. It shows necessity. Necessity. So shows necessities. You are able to shows necessity, and then we have dufen. Durfen. Dufen. Dufen. So this one shows, dufen shows may, it means may, or to be allowed. To be allowed. So in chapter 8, we are also going to do some modal verbs. Sollen means you are supposed to. Supposed to. So this one is used when we are getting advice from a third party. Supposed to. We are getting advice from a third party. Sollen, supposed to, or should. So the doctor said, so if Shaga told me that I should collect my book, so I've told Shaga that the work should be submitted at 9 a.m. And then if Shaga tells Umi, and then if I ask Umi will tell me that you said a third party. So third party must be included. Then after that we have Morgan. This one is to like somebody. To like something or somebody. To like something or somebody. So Conan, to be able to, Musen, to have to, Dufen, to be allowed, Sollen is to supposed to or should, Morgan. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one are we omitting? Wollen. To want to. So when you want to do something, I want to marry. So there's this. Ich will bald heiraten. Yeah. Ich will bald heiraten. So this does not mean that I will, but it means I want to marry soon. I want to marry soon. So in German, the word werden, the verb werden is used to talk. The verb in German, the verb werden is used to talk about the future. Example. So let us conjugate it. It is also an irregular verb. Let us conjugate it. Ich werde du 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 bist, du bist, du bist. Er, es, sie, wird, wird. Then, wir, werden. Then, ihr, werdet, ihr werdet. Then, sie werden. So this one means I will, or it also means or I became. So ich werde ein Arzt sein. I became a doctor. I'll become a doctor. So you will, or you need to become, not to became. Become, to become. So then, so he, she, it, will, or he, she, it, becomes. So it becomes a doctor. So we'll construct some sentence. So you plural, you will, you plural, you will, or you plural, become. Then ihr werdet. No, not you. Sorry. Just a minute. Sorry. Just a minute. Sorry. We will. Or we will, or we became. We will, or we became. And then this one is sie, to show. Sie, you. So you, or they, you plural. If I use this you capital, you, it means z capital. It means z capital. It means z capital. If I use that one, it means z capital Z. So you understand? So you or they will, or become, like that. So like now, Shaka say that I will go to work. Ich werde zur Arbeit gehen. I will go to work. I will go to work. But if Shaka say ich will zur Arbeit gehen, so ich werde zur Arbeit gehen and ich will zur Arbeit gehen, it means I want to go to work. So that means you see the difference. Ich werde zur Arbeit gehen and ich will zur Arbeit gehen. So those are the difference. And then before I start going, so I want to learn. Modal, verb, sentence structure. So those who came late, you are hearing some band from afar. I said that instead of going to the house, let me just do this video, this morning evening class here in school. At least things will be okay. before in the house the app will be messing me up. But also I will post this in my YouTube video, and then you will see. You can watch at your own pace because it's one of the topics that usually disturbs people. Also for the teachers also. Then let's see sentence structure. So sentence structure. So so let's see for general. So for general sentence, for general sentence, you see, for general sentence, the following structure or rules are followed. So after this we will do one or two chapters, and then you will be writing Schreiben, Teil 1 formula, and also for write-ups. You will be writing a letter, writing an official letter, and you will also be writing a friendly letter. So that means by next week we will start to be doing that one. So pay attention. So you just pay attention. We see. So let's see. For general sentence, the following structure rules are followed. Number one, the subject or the person, subject is always on position 1 or position 3, like that. The subject is always on position 1 or position 3. Then in simple terms for you to understand, because Cindy now want to ask me. So Cindy, check this, what I'm going to give you. Check, and others, Rose, Mercy, Derek, check this. The verb, the subject always follows the conjugated verb. It can come before or after the conjugated verb. Then number two, the verb can be in the verb. So the conjugated verb is always before. So the conjugated verb is always before. The conjugated verb is always before. It's always in position 2. The conjugated verb is always in position 2. For general sentence. So see, for general sentence, the conjugated verb is always in position 2. Then there's this for general sentence with a modal verb, general sentence with the modal verb. There, for general sentence with the modal verb, the conjugated modal verb The conjugated modal verb is always on position 2, position 2, and the infinitive or unconjugated verb, conjugated verb is always on position last. So let's see. Now let's see the examples. We want to implement them. Examples oder Beispiel. Example is also called Beispiel. Example is also called Beispiel. So let's see. So let's see how to implement them. Okay. So Shaga, confirm if I am clear. Shaga, confirm if my sound is clear. Okay, thanks. So, okay. So, example number 1. So, I know some people are saying, what is subject? Subject can be a noun. Subject can be, so let me put like that. Subject can be number 1, a noun. So nouns in German have article. Der Hund, der Laptop, der Rock, der Rock in the skirt, then the hose is the so the hose, what do you call the hose? Is the trouser, etc. Those can be in position 1 or position 3. Then you go to there. So we go to, can be a noun, can be personal pronomen. Ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, another one, ihr, z small, z capital. So this one can be in position 1 or 2. So let's see if we introduce the concept of time, then the subject is always in position 3, or if we put other elements, before noun in the second position, then the subject will be in position 3. like that. So let's see. So if I say ich gehe zur Arbeit. So check this one. It is capital A. So that means it is a noun. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. Ich gehe zur Arbeit. I'm going to work. So check subject. So we say subject. This one is verb, and then this one is other elements. So ish, s. So here s means subject, gehe verb, zur Arbeit. So it takes the following structure. Let's see the structure. So let's see the structure. Let's see the structure. So structure is subject plus verb plus other elements. So that one, when you are not using modal verb. So sometimes, so this one is this one. Ich lese. So again, ich lese ein Buch. Ich lese ein Buch. I read a book. So that means, so ich is subject. Lese is what? Lese is a verb. Then other elements, I can put other elements. So subject I can put with S. So verb with V. Other elements with X. Like that. So subject, verb, ein Buch, I can put with X like this. So that one, like that. The second structure I want to demonstrate. So this is structure that demonstrate point one. If we introduce concept of time, then the subject is less position 3. So if now second structure verb in third position. If the verb is in third position, how do we do position? It will take, so sorry, before we go there, let's say das Kinder weinen. Das Kinder weinen. So the child is crying. The child is crying. So this one is this one is also subject. This one is verb. So this one is verb. So if we don't know what the child is crying about, I can also say ich gebe es einen Apfel. So to the child crying, the child who was crying. So I give him an apple. I gave I gave I gave him an apple. So this means so nani Tasha, see, this one is subject. Gebe is verb. S einen Apfel. This one are other. This one are X, like that. So we want to see if the verb is in the third position. Verb is in the third position. So if I introduce, so I want to say that today evening I'll eat. Today evening I will eat. So heute Abend. So not heute Abend. So this one is the first position. Position one. Heute Abend werde ich. So werde means, so werde is the verb, ich is subject. So heute Abend, position one, werde ich subject. Werde ich, today Abend, werde ich singen. So I want to put other nini. Nach Paris. Nach Paris fahren. Nach Paris fahren. So this one is X. So don't tell me that this one is a verb. We'll reach there, but I want to show if there's this meaning, if there's this concept of time, then the others are like that for the concept of time. So heute Abend, so it means today evening I will travel to Paris, like that. Then there's also other concept. There's this concept, viele Leute, sprechen, viele Leute sprechen, viele Leute sprechen. So this one will not give me the sentence that I want to use, won't give me the verb at the subject. So fewer. Mehr Informationen. For mehr Informationen. So this one is added words. So this one is other elements before. If we put other elements before, verb, not noun. Sorry. Verb in the second position. Sorry. For mehr Informationen. So this one are other elements. Other elements. Besuchen Sie. This one is a verb. I'm recording a video, so don't just mute. Let me see. So don't disturb. Tulia tu polepole. Hivyo. So if you want chance, I will give you to speak. For mehr Informationen, other elements, besuchen Sie, visit, besuchen Sie, unser website, So I want to put it to be nini, to be many. For more information, base you can see. So it translates to for more information, visit our. For more information, visit our. For more information, visit our websites. Our websites. So so verb in the third position. So similarly, you can do 3 to 4 sentence examples. You can construct 1,000 examples, not 1,000 examples to construct one. Then you go to another one. The third one, the second one is so I don't want to go to the third one. I'm thinking things for A2, B1 na nitawachanganyisha. I don't want to confuse you. So let me go to the second one. So I have demonstrated if the conjugated verb is in position 2. So like here I have so here is Z is subject, and then unser website is other elements. Then let's see for modal verben in general, in general sentence with modal verben. In general sentence with modal verben. In general sentence with modal verben. The following sentence structure. The following sentence structure text is used. So let's see. Number one is subject. So there's general sentence and there's also for questions. General sentence and then for question. So there's subject. After subject, what do we put? Subject. After subject, what do we put? Modal verb. Conjugated form. Other elements. Plus infinitive verb. Infinitive verb. Like that. Infinitive verb. Unconjugated verb at the end. So unconjugated verb. So infinitive verb, unconjugated verb. So let's see. Position. Last. Unconjugated verb position last. So let's see. I want to make a sentence. So let me say, Rachel. So Rachel is a subject. Subject is a noun because Rachel is a noun and Rachel has no article, but because it is a feminine name, we assume automatically that it takes the D article. Rachel or Rachel can sehr gut singen. Rachel can sehr gut singen. That means Rachel have the ability to can sing very well. So Rachel is this one is Rachel is S subject. Can is so modal verb. Sehr gut is X. This one is infinitive, like that. So it can go like that. So let me pick also. So let me pick another one. So another one is do is a do darfst here nicht essen du darfst hier nicht essen. You are not allowed to eat here. So du darfst here. So I can write it here. I can write it like that. Yeah, du darfst hier nicht essen. You are not allowed to eat here. So I can say, I can say, ihr wollt, so ihr wollt, Deutsch, ihr wollt der Deutsche, der Deutsche Unterricht. Ihr wollt der, you want, ihr wollt der deutsche Unterricht im Online machen. So machen is infinitive. So that infinitive means you don't conjugate. Infinitive means you don't conjugate. Unconjugated. Check this in and unconjugated. So ihr is subject, wollt is modal verb, der Unterricht im Online, this one is X. So the other one is like that. So you all. So you all. You all want the German class to be online, like that. So that is for general statement. So maybe Shaga anampenda, so Shaga atasema ich mag ihn sehr gern. So we learn mag. Mag means to like. So mag does not have a supporting verb. It can just stand like this. So this one is subject, verb, pronomen, or you can put X like that. Also, you can say, I would like to order food. I would like to order Kartoffel Ich möchte. So next when we are meeting, we will do chapter 4, chapter 8 first, and then chapter 4. Chapter 8, then chapter 4. Ich möchte. Ich möchte. Ich möchte gern einen Kaffee trinken. Ich möchte gern einen Kaffee trinken. So, ich ist Subjekt, möchte ist Verb, möchte ist Verb, einen Kaffee trinken, that one is X, then infinitive. Infinitive. So like that one. So now you have understood. So you can ask questions. So Rachel, just unmute and ask. So as to get you clear. Rachel, Mackenzie Schnell.
I was asking, there number 2 verb in the second position. I think you've confused, you've written in the third position.
In the number 2. So we said that verb can be, so you'll tell me when I scroll. Which one? Which place?
Yeah, number 2, penye umeunderline, umeandika verb in the third position.
This is subject, not verb. Subject. So thank you. Subject, not verb. Subject. So thank you. Okay. So if I also put this one, if I use this one, if I use other elements plus verb plus subject plus X. At least hiyo inaeleweka. So okay, so question before.
Inaeleweka, but I have a question. When
Just
we were
ask.
writing, we've written the conjugated verb is always in second position.
Yes.
But now when it comes to the example, tumeingia sasa subject in third position, I'm lost.
Wapi hapo kwa?
Unaona hapo juu kidogo before tuanze kwa examples. Scroll up again. There, penye umeandika number 2, the conjugated verb is always in position 2.
Yes. Tukikuja kwa example.
So tukikuja kwa example, naona tunaongelea stories za subject in third position. Please clarify kidogo tu.
So the verb inakwanga position 2. So subject inaweza kuwa before verb ama after verb depending on the sentence. So if subject is in position 1, verb inakuwa position 2. If other elements like time, heute, möchte ich, so heute is position 1, that is other elements. Möchte is a verb, to like, who like, then X, the other element itakuwa subject, S. So like, let me write to help you. So you can say, so heute gehe ich zur Arbeit. So today I'll go to, so we said that this one is first position. That is other element of position 1, second position, third position. So it can also be ich gehe heute zur Arbeit. But this one is there. If I want to stress something, I put it in. I want to stress that element. Naiweka ya kwanza. I put it at the first position there. So Rachel, are you zufrieden? Are you satisfied?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Any other person who has some confusion so that I can clear the doubt before we go to the next concept? Any other person? So alles klar oder alles in Ordnung? So things are okay. So me, I have no problem. So I want to. So number 2, in German, we have we have the following types in German. So let's see. So there's this number 2. I'm trying to paraphrase it in a way that even if you read your notes, concept naingia. Even somebody who is reading somewhere, ukimwona kwa online ana type typing sentence structure, help me, I need coaching. You can also just say I am in B1 and you just 3500 letter to 3500 unione nikufunze hiyo concept. So in this way, when in German language, in German, we can ask the question in two ways. So number 1, using order 9 Frage, or using so we have here order 9 W Frage. So those two, let's see. So in order 9 Frage, the verb is always in position 1. The verb which we say we are meaning is conjugated verb. Conjugated verb. It's always in position 1. Und followed by subject. This one is for questions. The other one was for statement. Don't get me wrong. The first one was for questions, and this one is for statement. So let us see. Using using modal verben. The modal verb is in position 1 and the using modal verb. The modal verb is in position 1 and the infinitive is in position last. So example, Beispiel, Beispiel or example, Beispiel or example. Let's see. So Beispiel, let's see the example. So as we have said, the verb, when asking question, the verb is always in position 1. The verb is always is in position 1. When we are asking questions, the verb is always in position 1. Hivyo tu. Asking questions. Yeah or the 9. Kann ich Ihnen, kann ich Ihnen helfen? Can I help you? So if this one, you are going to ask, you are going to answer yeah or the 9. So either you don't want to read this concept, it is in exams and it consumes so much time. Kann ich, kann means, so this one is modal verb. Ich is subject. Helfen is other elements. Not other elements. Sorry. Mbona kilime nini? Helfen is infinitive verb. In an helfen, like that. I can also say können Sie, so this können has O umlaut. Können Sie mir bitte einen Kaffee bringen? So that bringen is infinitive verb. Infinitive verb is unconjugated verb. Können here is modal verb. Sie is subject. Then mir bitte einen Kaffee. This one is X. So that X, if you reach in B1, A2 kishaisha, B1, B2, you will be taught. Another one, using modal verb. I want to ask, so dürfen mana, so because pale naekea umlaut inapotea, I'll tell you where to put umlaut. So like here, if you are writing that one, U umlaut and then A umlaut. So dürfen mana weinen. So I said weinen is to cry. So who can translate this one? Who can translate this one? Who can translate it? Who can translate it? So it translates, are men allowed to cry? So it depends which situation. So if your man is a cry boy, that is modal. Mana is subject because it is a noun. Then vinen is a infinitive verb. Then let's continue. Fewer, for, W, frage, the W frage, phrase is in position 1, and then modal verb is in position 2. Just a minute. It's in position 2. Just a minute. So position 2, modal verb is in position 2. So let me draw for you this structure. So this structure will be, I will draw the two of them. So W frage, W frage plus W frage, modal verb. So this one is second position 2 plus other elements position X plus, after other elements we have infinitive verb, position last. So this one is position 1, like that. So I want to construct sentence. So Beispiel, sample, example, I can say example, I can say Vi kan ich Ihnen helfen. So how can I help you? Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? How can I help you? So wie ist W, Frage, Position 1, Modal verb. So let me put modal verb. This one is subject. Ihnen helfen. Helfen here is infinitive. Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen? How can I help you?